Hello everyone, Mr. Lipschick here. Today we begin a discussion, part of a three-part discussion on the Earth-Sun relationship. The rising and setting of the Sun is caused by the Earth's rotation on its axis. The seasons of the Earth are caused by the Earth's revolution around the Sun. The Earth's tilt, rotation, and revolution influence day-to-day temperatures, weather patterns, and hours of sunlight. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only one in the solar system that can sustain life. The Sun and the seasons. The Earth's place in the solar system is called the habitable zone. The Earth's temperatures make liquid water possible, which is necessary to sustain life. Each year, the Earth completes one rotation around the Sun. The tilt of the Earth's axis as it revolves around the Sun causes the seasons, that is, spring, summer, winter, and fall. The Earth's axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees to the plane of its orbit around the Sun. This tilt causes the north and south poles to be turned towards the Sun for part of the year and away from it the rest of the year. When the North Pole is tilted towards the Sun, it is spring and summer in the northern hemisphere. The Sun takes the longest and highest path across the sky, causing days to be longer during this time. The seasons, north and south of the equator, are always opposite each other. When one pole is tilted towards the Sun, the other is tilted away from it. Spring and summer occur in the northern hemisphere, while fall and winter happen in the southern hemisphere. During fall and winter, at the poles, there is almost continuous light. Areas close to the equator experience fewer seasonal changes than others. Oh, this should be continuous night, not continuous light. Beg your pardon. The astronomical seasons. Climactic seasons vary to when as to when they start and end. Scientists have identified specific dates for when seasons begin, known as the astronomical seasons. The summer solstice, June 20th or 21st, is when summer begins in the northern hemisphere. It is the day when the northern hemisphere experiences the most daylight. December 21st or 22nd marks the winter solstice, the start of the winter in the northern hemisphere, and the day with the fewest hours of daylight. The vernal equinox occurs on March 20th or 21st. The Sun appears directly above the equator, and the hours of daylight and darkness are equal. The same is true for the autumnal equinox, which occurs on September 22nd or 23rd. The Earth's orbit. The path of the Earth's orbit around the Sun is not perfect. The planet's distance from the Sun changes. The Earth is nearest the Sun about January 1st and farthest away about July 1st. The distance is not great enough to affect the seasons. The leap year within our calendar causes the variations in the start of the astronomical seasons. That concludes part one of our discussion on the relationship between the Sun and the Earth. Thank you for attending, and I look forward to seeing you in the live lesson. Have a great day.